Good morning everybody. Sunday, January the 12th. I'm here today with Ivo, it's a colleague, and his son Ian. And Ian just had his first signal. He's going to get the shovel. And he's going to dig his signal. Okay, I also had my first signal. It's I think a piece of bomb shrapnel or pipe. I don't know. It's a huge piece, very heavy. Okay, let's check out what Ian found. What is it? Oh, it's in the clump. Yeah. Okay, we'll be right back. Okay, Ian just found a hook. Let me see, Ian. Oh, awesome. Cool, great find. Well done, boy. Okay, on to the next. Alright, they're having fun. They are having real fun. Okay, my second signal. This is a clip of some sort. It says warning. See instructions, hook must support load. So I think it's from a trailer. Okay, it's cold. It's minus 2 degrees Celsius. And it's the soil is on top a little bit hard, but the first inch is it's hard, and underneath it's good. So, okay, see you in the next. And my next find is a washer, a big washer. I thought I saw the edge, and I thought I found some silver, but okay. Actually, we would hunt the banks of the River Rine today, but it's too cold, and Ian is getting cold very quick, and so we decided to hunt this piece of land, and so that's why we are here. So maybe next time we will hunt the River Rhine, the banks. But until then, okay, I walked a few steps, get a signal. Guess what? Another washer. Okay, on to the next. Okay, next signal. It's a piece of a license plate, motorcycle. And I think it's from 1968, 1966, 1968, there we go. Oh, wait a minute, sorry. Come on, there we go. Okay, it's a license plate from 1968, SG7, that's it. Oh, nice find. Okay, on to the next. Okay, the next signal is a live bullet, German, with a corroded top. So see if we can see a date. I don't think so. It's gone. Okay, yeah, nice find. On to the next. Okay, I dug here a hole and it was 50 cents. So I gave it to Ian. And look, there's the hole of the 50 cents, 50 euro cents. And I dug this hole now for another signal. And check this out. Oh, there it is. You can see it? There it is. And it's 10 cents. 20 cents. Way, 20 cents. Yo. Okay. On to the next. And a piece of a cigar case. Yeah, it's a cigar case, I think. Aluminium. Yeah, okay, on to the next. They're still having fun, finding a lot of trash, but it's still fun. Okay, I have my first very nice find. It's coming from this hole, and it's laying next to the pro pointer. Can you see it? It's this piece. I have to clean it, but it's a shoe buckle. A small shoe buckle, 18th century, I think, yeah. But this will clean nice. I think it's copper or bronze. So yeah, yay, nice find. Okay, see you. Yeah, on the way to the car I dug this strange object. Do not know what it is. Somebody knows, please let me know. It's very strange. Very strange. It's bent a bit. It looks like a fork. So yeah. Anybody has a clue? Please let me know. Okay. It's the roundup stuff we found today. All crap, except for the shoe buckle and some coins and this strange piece of thing. Yes, okay. Did you have fun, Ian? Yes?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Yeah, it's a very small roundup. Very little nice finds today. But I found this 1 cent. It's from 1959. It's a copper one. It's from the old Now We Have a King. His mother was Beatrix and her mother was Juliana, and that's her. She was queen until 1980, then her daughter took it over until this year or last year, and now we have King Willem Alexander. Okay, then we go to the second one. That's this. I think it's 18th century shoe buckle, maybe 17th century. I don't know. It's a very nice shoe buckle. I love these shoe buckles. They are very ornated and very nice when you dig them up. Yeah, it's very nice design. Cool. Yeah, so that's 2 nice finds today, and the rest was garbage, trash. Some pool tabs and a few bits and bobs. Nothing special. These were the only 2 nice finds. Okay, see you in the next video. I'm almost at 100 subscribers. When I reach the 100, I will do a small competition with some nice prizes, some giveaways, and yeah, stay tuned. Okay, bye bye.